Alright, good morning. Last trip of 2022 out here in Kauai again. Trying to find some bait first thing in the morning. Probably see it's a cloudy day, so hopefully we don't get rain and thunder. But yeah, the hunt continues. Pile over here.
Yeah, I'm on a couple. That's some jumbo ones though.
Look at that school. That's what you want to see out here. Oh man, please don't get stolen from me. In the tube. That's so much fish. That is a nice pile of fish in the sounder there. Come on. Oh, was on. There we go. Now we're on. All right. Nice. Oh, one came off. That's all right. Plenty more down there. Oh wow, it's a stringer. Here comes the stringer. Oh, it's only a 2-stringer. And I got this one that's gonna die anyway, so why not give him a chance to get eaten? Man, his mouth is really messed up. I'd be surprised if this guy survives 10 minutes out there with his mouth the way it is. It's alright. Alright, there we go. So Pelu is really freaking out. Let's see if he gets eaten. Oh, there we go. That was something hidden them. There we go. Okay, we're on something. I'm on something. Might be a shark. Okay. Yeah, it's a little Shibi. And he swallowed it pretty good, so we'll be taking this one home. Actually, he didn't swallow it at all. Let's take it home anyway. No, that's not. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, it's small, like probably like 12, 15 pounds.
Got it. Nice. Well, still good.
This wire leader looks okay. It's a little curly, but it worked last time when I did it this way. reuse the leader. Whoa. Here we go. Huh, weird. Yeah, I think I lost that one. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna hold my baits for a minute. I'm tired of wasting them on these little Shibis. So let's take a break. We'll go do some bottoms, maybe some deep drops. Then we'll come back in. Maybe on the way in we'll try to pick up a pelagic. Alright, gonna tie on this deep drop rig. I haven't done this in a while, but I think today's a good day to do it. Because tradition over here is you get a red fish for New Year's. So like an ehu. No, it's not red, but gindai. Actually my favorite. So if we could get a couple pieces of that, that'd be great. So I'll just tie this on with what is this, a chain knot. Maybe do eight links in the chain here. Get our lead on. 1 pound, more than enough for a kayak. Let's get that. Just clipped on there. And our bait. Alright, these are some big ahi belly chunks. So hopefully the fish hook up. There we go. 600 feet. Oh, let's try. If I hook a small one, I'll go out deeper. Because I don't want those baby ones. I want to get a good size. Up like a couple pounds at least. Yeah, we're getting a lot of little nibbles there. Might be on one. Yeah, it might be on. It's hard to tell. It's really hard to tell if you have a fish on at 600 feet, but I think this is one. Bring it up. Okay, this is gonna take a minute. I'm just gonna put it in low gear, crank it up, and then we'll see what it is. Okay, back on the leader already, so that's less than 100 feet to go. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it's not a puhi. Oh, good size ehu.
Perfect for New Year's.
All right. There we go. Little ehu. That's a nice little steamer for the New Year's table. Hell yeah. See if we can get a couple more. There we go. We're on the bottom, I think. There, now we're on the bottom. Getting bit. Definitely getting nibbles. Lots of nibbles. Oh, that might be a better. Whoa, yeah, might be a better one. Okay. All right, on again. Oh, yeah. Is that a couple? Is that one or two? Oh yeah. There we go. Whoa. There we go. That's enough. Oh, good size ehu.
Nice.
Got a double. Couple good size ehu here. That one, that's the one for the steamer right there. That big boy. Oh, that hooked good too. The pliers for this one. Look at this one though. That's the one right there. Oh. Let's get the glove on so I don't get sliced. These guys do have some good blades on their gill cover. There we go. Oop. Whoa. Yeah. It's a good size ehu. Gonna enjoy that one for New Year's. Alright, here we go on the leader. Might be a good size ehu. Putting some bend in the rod earlier. Come on. What have we got? Whoa. Oh, well, that's our limit. Alright, I'm limited out on ehu. Yeah, limit on these. Recreational kayak. Any combination of deep 7 species is 5. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, don't jump off the kayak, please. Don't jump off. So it is time to start heading in, I guess. Jeez. Okay, that was pretty cool. First time limiting out on some quality bottom fish. Wind's picking up. Gonna head in closer to shore. Just troll some bait on the way in, I guess. See if we can get lucky on the way home. Get a bait in. Who knows? Maybe we can catch something on the blind here. Mahi or something. That'd be sick. Bait's really freaking out. Oh, now my bait's really freaking out. I'm marking stuff below us. Yeah, I see him. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hopefully that's on. Yep. Yep, there we go. shoot, turn my camera off. Alright, we're on something. Yeah, not bad. Might be a good Shibi. Okay. A kohala? Oh no. I hope that's not what mine's is. But it could be. Ah, might be a big kohala. Yeah, it's a chunky Shibi. Oh shit. Tangled. Okay. There we go. Got him, Shibi. Yeah, like maybe like low 40s. Wow, that took some doing. Alright, now it's hard enough on a flat day. When you got the chop, even harder. So let's do this very carefully.